Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of banner on Facebook app. To know how to fix or how to solve banner on Facebook, you should just go to settings as you see and you can click. Here in this page you will enter two apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list of apps you will search about Facebook. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.